Hey everyone, today I'm with Stefan Design Studios and today we're going to be looking at some wigs, so let's unbox their latest collection. Okay, here's the user guide. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the beach wave style and this is in the color praline. There are two colors, but let's try her on, shall we? Okay. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at these golden honey brown highlights. I mean, there's so much movement. She has such a classic timeless look, especially with the waves just cascading down her face. I just feel like it frames her so well and there's so much dimension to her, you know? And I have one more color in buttered strawberry. It's the same beach wave style. Here's the user guide. Okay, let's open her up. Oh wow! Oh my goodness. Look at buttered strawberry. She's gorgeous too. Okay, let's put them on so you can see. Oh my goodness. Buttered strawberry offers a playful and fun twist with vibrant colors and soft pinks and peachy warm tones, as you can see. Her waves are cascading and framing her face so well. I just feel like it's so fun and feminine and she's really so cute. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of praline or the playful charm that buttered strawberry has, both of these beach wave wigs are sure to enhance your natural beauty. Both of these wigs are made with a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to having a natural hairline and scalp appearance. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted and creates the illusion that hair is growing directly from your scalp. As you can see, the lace material is virtually undetectable and just seamlessly blends into your skin tone. The monofilament part adds another layer of realism to your wig. This involves individually hand knotting each strand of hair onto a fine sheer lace that mimics your real scalp. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament parting, you get a wig that not only looks like it's growing from your scalp, but also gives you versatile styling options. You get something that's so natural looking, it's very lightweight and volumey, it's very wavy and beautiful, and I recommend the Beach Waves wig.